Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I'm showing how to stop Windows Update permanently. Please subscribe and watching full video. Way number 1, click search bar and type service, run as administrator. Going to service, you scroll down to look up Windows Update. Here Windows Update, right button click and properties, then select disable and start to disable it and apply, and okay, your service is disabled. And restart your PC. And way number 2, you turn on Margaret connection. So go to settings and network and internet settings, then scroll down, then click Wi-Fi adapter properties, then scroll down, set as metered connections, click, then restart your PC. And way number 3, click search bar and GP edit group policy, click computer configuration under administrative template, then click Windows component. You are looking at this stage Windows Update, then we are going to search configure automatic update, then click right button and edit. You are looking default configuration is not configured, you enable and configure automatic updating. This option, select auto download and notification for install is default setting. We are sent to notify for download and auto install, then select and apply OK, then close, then restart your PC. Hope your solution or Windows Update permanent solution is completed, then restart your PC. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.